Hello everyone. My name is Bruno. I am an Oracle Ace apprentice, and today I'm going to give you a complete introduction of Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, or OCI. So, if you have ever heard about AWS, Azure, and wondered whether Oracle has its own cloud platform, yes, it does, and actually, it's very, very powerful. Okay, so let's get into it. What is Oracle Cloud Infrastructure? It's a cloud platform and it gives us access to infrastructure services like compute, storage, networking, database, and AI, all managed by Oracle. Right now, OCI has over 40 regions globally. So that means that wherever your users or your business are, there's probably an OCI region nearby. And we are talking about like over 100 services available. That's compute, storage, database, the full package. And another thing that is worth to know is that OCI is not just for companies that already use Oracle products. You can use it as a standalone cloud platform, just like AWS or Azure. Okay, so now let's talk a little bit about the main services. Here we have six that are compute, storage, networking, database, AI and data, and security. Talking a little bit about each one. Compute is one of the main services, is where you can spin up virtual machines, to CPU, memory. It's high performance and scales easily. We have storage. Here we have different types of storage options depending on the use case. We have object storage, block volumes, file storages. We have networking. Here you can set up your own private network cloud. Here we called it as VCN, Virtual Cloud Network. Database. Here is where Oracle really shines. Okay, the autonomous database is something that you don't really see anywhere else. It manages itself, packs itself, and scales itself. There is no need of a DBA here, but I will talk about the database a little further. Okay, AI and data. OCI has a full suite of AI services and security, like IAM for identity management, Vault for secrets, Cloud Guard, uh, and that's it. So now you're probably asking, why choose OCI? It's a fair question. So here are the main reasons I think OCI stands out. Okay, first thing, the predictable pricing. Talking about money, you pay a fixed hourly rate with no surprise bills. And one thing that's generally different, OCI doesn't charge you for egress. That's the data that is going out of the cloud. Like on AWS, egress costs can get expensive fast. Okay, here we have the high performance. OCI uses a dedicated hardware, not shared resources. As I said, the autonomous database that deserves a extra attention. A database that patches, backs up, and turns itself automatically is a huge deal, like for teams that don't have a DBA. Okay, we have the free tier, that's huge as well. OCI gives you a set of resources that are free forever. I will talk about it uh, in a moment, and the Oracle integration. And if your company already uses some Oracle product like a EPR, the e-business suite, or other products, OCI can connect you with those natively. So that's a big advantage for enterprise environments. Okay, talk a little bit about the free tier. This is a good feature that OCI provide to us. Here you get two virtual machines with a 24 gigabytes of RAM, two autonomous databases, 200 gigabytes of block storage, 10 gigabytes of object storage, and one load balancer. And as I said, we have here the free egress to the internet. And this is not a trial, okay? There is no expiration date. These resources are free as long as your account exists. So for someone that is learning cloud now, or even a small person project, this is more than enough to get started and actually build something real. So, all right, we covered the theory part. So let me switch over to the OCI console and show you around live. See you there. So now This is the OCI console. When you log in, you land to the home dashboard. Up here at the top, you have the main navigation menu. Here on the left, we have this hamburger navigation. We can see where you can see all the features that you have. Here we can see the region. I am in Brazil, East São Paulo. That's where I am now. And here you can switch regions if necessary, like for a multi-region project. Okay. Okay, so now let's move on to the compute instances to show you how the instances work here. I think that I already have one that is running now. Um, just a moment, it's loading. Okay, so now we can see this one that I already have. This the Instance Nest app. That's where I uploaded a Nest app that I had. We can see that it's already running, the public IP, the shape. This is very important to choose a shape. Okay, if you want to create a new one, it's very simple. You just go here at create instance. It's very intuitive. Um, just waiting it to load, but it's quick. Here you can choose the name of your instance, the compartment, it's loading. Okay, but the compartment, I will record another video talking about it. It's a very interesting feature. You can see the placement, okay, the image and the shape. Here in my case, I'm using Oracle Linux 9, the shape, and there are more options like security, networking, storage, and after all that you can review and create your instance. It's very simple. Okay, so great. Now let me jump over to the object storage. This is under storage here, and here buckets. Okay, a bucket is basically a container where you store files like images, backups, logs, whatever. You can create a bucket, give it a name, choose if it's public or private, and start uploading objects. It's very similar conceptually to a Amazon S3 if you've used that before. Okay, so I already have one here as well. If you wanted to create one, go to create bucket, name, scope, tier. It's very intuitive as well. Very simple to create one. Okay, no problem. Now just quickly, I'm gonna show you the networking part about the virtual cloud networks, another important feature. This is where you set up your private network. OCI makes it very easy to create a VCN with subnets, internet gateways, security rules, all from a single wizard. Okay, probably I have one as well. Yes, in this case I have two. Very simple as well. We have a route table, a domain name, the data when it was created as well. Very simple to create. Go to create VCN, and here you can personalize everything that you want for your VCN. Okay, so that's it for today's intros to OCI. Let me go back to the home page. We covered what Oracle Cloud Infrastructure is, the main services, why it stands out from other cloud providers, the free tier. We explored the console live. So if you want to get started yourself, the link is oracle.com/cloud/free. It takes about 5 minutes to create your account, but the next video I will cover how to create a free account. So if this video was useful, leave a like. I really helps. It really helps the channel, and subscribe if you want more OCI content. Okay. So thanks for watching, and I see you in the next one.